Hi guys, in this video we are going to install GitHub. I have downloaded this. Now we have to click on yes. Here you can see that they have provided us license information. Simply we have to click on next. Then we need to click on next, so that here you can try different options, but I am going to just click on next. Again I am going to click on next, and then again next, and here you can select any of the following of your choice, but I am going with the recommended option, and again I am going to use the recommended option, and then again we have to click on next, then again next, and now I am going to install it. To install I have to click on install. It will take some time. Now the software is completely installed, and we have to click on finish, and it is ready to use.